Right, good morning, good start to the week. I'm just going to demo the exercise snacks, daily exercise snacks, which you can do every day. You can do one exercise every day, as I've put, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and just focus on, okay, today I can't do a whole workout, I'm just going to do 3 squats, not 3 squats, but 3 sets of a minute squats. Or just a minute of squats, and just doing that daily will really just help improve you rather than doing nothing at all. So I'm just going to demo squats. So we're going to do a minute of squats. Get my timer on. 1 minute of squats. Keep the weight towards your heels. Squat back. If you wanted to make it harder, just go down lower. Or add some weights. I've actually forgotten my weights and my resistance band, so I'll look around if I can see. Or we can do it without. Anyway, we can do it all without weights if you wanted to. Just doing body movements. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we've got calf raises. You come up on your toes. Again, you could do this with a weight if you wanted to have a dumbbell or a kettlebell. You hold it here. Come up onto your, or just do it without. After, I don't know, 30 seconds, you'll start to feel it in your calves. Seconds left. Four, 3, 2, 1. And jump squats. Again, putting the weight towards your heels. Sitting back on your heels. Jump up. Seconds. Three, 2, 1. And we've got lunges. Wobbly after the jump squats. So keep the knee in line with the toes, chest up, and lunge. Again, if you wanted to add a weight, you could add a weight. Just keep it with body weight for now. Especially if it's like your daily snack that you're trying to incorporate into just every day at work or wherever you are. 3, 2, 1. And we're going to do a lunge and twist. Just the upper body's twisting. I should have said that at the beginning. 3, 2, 1. And then we've got bicep curl. So you've got a weight in, or a dumbbell in each hand, or a weight. Curling your biceps. So I've got a bit of a cough and a cold. As I said, I forgot to bring, we could have a resistance band, but I've just forgotten to bring my resistance band out with me. But again, if you're doing this without weights, you can still just like clench your fists and do it slowly and engage your muscles. And go, okay, I'm still working them. No, that's the weight. And then chest extension. So if you had weights, you were doing that with your dumbbells in each hand, or with a resistance band, pulling it apart, or just without anything, just pulling your shoulder blades together, opening up your chest, keeping your arms strong, open and close. I can still feel that is working with nothing. So wherever you are, you could just stop for a minute, 30 seconds, just do something. And you repeatedly do it, you can see the build up, just like saving 1 penny every day. You see the build up. Done. That is your 7 days of snacks, 7 exercise demoed, and yeah, let me know if there's anything you need to know that I haven't already mentioned. Okay, have a good week.